The surprising truth about crocodile tongues. Did you ever imagine a crocodile having a secret weapon? Forget the bone-crushing bite and the tough hide, it's their tongue. Even though it's stuck to the bottom of their mouth, a crocodile's tongue plays a critical role in their survival. From catching prey to feeling their surroundings, this video will reveal the amazing ways crocodiles use their tongues, even without the ability to stick them out. You might be surprised to learn that crocodiles can't flick their tongues out like lizards or snakes. Their tongues are firmly attached to the floor of their mouths by muscles and ligaments that run from their skull to their jaw. This unique design prevents them from sticking their tongues out, but it certainly doesn't stop them from using them in incredible ways. The hidden functions of a crocodile's tongue. So, what exactly can a crocodile do with a tongue that's stuck in place? More than you might think. While they can't use their tongues to snatch flies like a frog or smell the air like a snake, crocodiles have evolved to make the most of their unique tongue structure. When it comes to catching prey, the crocodile's tongue acts like a built-in fishing hook. Covered in tiny, backward-pointing spikes, the tongue helps snag slippery fish and other aquatic creatures, preventing them from escaping the crocodile's powerful jaws. Once the prey is firmly secured, the tongue helps move it around the mouth, positioning it for the crocodile to tear off chunks of flesh and swallow them whole. But the tongue isn't just useful for mealtime, it also plays a vital role in the crocodile's sensory perception and survival strategies. The tongue is covered in special cells called chemoreceptors, which allow the crocodile to detect chemicals in the water and air. This helps them locate potential prey, find mates, and avoid danger. Some scientists even believe that the tongue may help regulate the crocodile's body temperature, thanks to its network of blood vessels. Of course, having a fixed tongue does come with some limitations. Unlike many other animals, crocodiles can't use their tongues to chew their food. Instead, they rely on their powerful stomach muscles and digestive juices to break down their meals over a long period. Crocodiles are known for their slow digestion, with some individuals going months between meals. Despite these limitations, the crocodile's tongue remains a fascinating and essential part of its anatomy. From its role in hunting and feeding to its importance in sensory perception and survival, this unassuming organ is a true testament to the incredible adaptations of these ancient reptiles. But the story of the crocodile's tongue doesn't end there. Throughout history, these remarkable appendages have been the subject of countless myths and misconceptions. In the next section, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and surprising tales surrounding crocodile tongues and discover how our understanding of these creatures has evolved. Myths and misconceptions about crocodile tongues. Throughout history, crocodile tongues have been shrouded in mystery and misunderstanding. Many cultures have spun tales and perpetuated myths about these fascinating appendages, adding to the enigma surrounding these ancient reptiles. One of the most common misconceptions about crocodile tongues is that they can't stick them out at all. However, recent research has shown that while their ability to protrude their tongues is limited, they can indeed extend them slightly for short periods. This myth likely originated from the fact that crocodiles rarely showcase their tongue-sticking abilities, leading to the belief that they were incapable of doing so. Interestingly, there have been some observations of crocodiles extending their tongues as far as 10 centimeters. This is a relatively rare occurrence and not fully understood by scientists. Some speculate that this behavior could be related to thermoregulation or communication with other crocodiles, adding another layer of intrigue to the mystery of their tongues. As our understanding of crocodile anatomy has evolved, so too have our perceptions of their tongues. In the past, beliefs about crocodile tongues were primarily based on observations of their infrequent and limited tongue protrusion. However, advancements in research have revealed that while they may not be as expressive as other reptiles like snakes and chameleons, crocodiles do possess the ability to manipulate their tongues in subtle ways. One surprising aspect of crocodile tongue anatomy is the presence of a long, thin strip of muscle that runs along the length of the tongue. This unique feature enables crocodiles to extend and retract their tongues to a certain degree, albeit not as extensively as other reptiles. It's fascinating to consider how this specialized muscle has adapted to suit the specific needs of crocodiles over millions of years of evolution. When it comes to the differences between young and adult crocodiles, it appears that they use their tongues in similar ways. Both rely on their tongues to manipulate food and sense their environment. However, due to their smaller size and different prey preferences, young crocodiles might exhibit slight variations in their feeding behaviors compared to their adult counterparts. The fascinating world of crocodile anatomy. From their surprisingly complex tongues to their efficient digestive systems, crocodiles are a testament to the wonders of evolution. Their unique body design has allowed them to thrive for millions of years, constantly adapting to changing environments. For a long time, myths and misconceptions clouded our understanding of crocodile tongues. But modern science has cleared things up. We now know crocodiles can actually extend their tongues, even if it's not as much as other animals. These tongues play a crucial role in how crocodiles sense their surroundings, regulate their body temperature, and even communicate with each other. As we continue to learn more about crocodile anatomy, one thing becomes clear: these ancient reptiles are far more complex and fascinating than we ever thought. So next time you see a crocodile, take a moment to appreciate the incredible adaptations that have allowed them to survive and dominate their environment for so long. Curious to learn more about the secrets of the past? Check out our video on the shocking truth about Mart's prophecy and Nisa in 2024. You won't believe what we've discovered.